Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Point and my name is Nitin Gupta and today I am going to talk about latest selection process, syllabus and paper pattern for Wipro latest recruitment 2021. So guys, in this video I have discussed about the latest and updated syllabus for Wipro Elite National Level Talent Hunt 2021. So guys, this video is very important for you, so please watch this complete video to clear your all doubts. So guys, let's start the video. So in latest selection process, there will be an online test called NLTH, that is National Level Talent Hunt Test, and it consists of 5 sections. The first section is quantitative aptitude, the second one is logical reasoning, the third one is verbal English, and the fourth one is essay writing, and the fifth one is automata, that is a coding round. So guys, this online test is based on CoCube's platform and we will brief you about every section and paper pattern for each section in next upcoming slides. Guys, if you get succeeded in online test, then after a technical interview and a HR interview will be conducted to judge your technical skills and soft skills. So guys, the next slide is for syllabus and paper pattern for each section. So guys, in the first section is quantitative aptitude. The number of questions appeared in this section will be 10 and you have to solve these questions in a time frame of 10 minutes. The topics are covered in this section will be number system, percentage, profit and loss, mixture and allegations, time and work, time, speed and distance, PNC, probability, divisibility, SCF, LCM, SI and CI, logarithms, averages, algebra, geometry and ratio and proportions. So guys, the second section is for logical reasoning and analytical thinking, and the number of questions are appeared in this section will be 10 and you have to solve these questions in a time frame of 10 minutes. The topics are covered in this section: data arrangements, syllogisms, coding decoding, number series, directional sense, data interpretation, data sufficiency, puzzles, analogy, coding deductive logics, blood relations, statements and conclusion. So guys, the third section is for verbal English. The number of questions appeared in this section will be 10 and the time allotted to this section will be 10 minutes, and the topics are covered in this section: reading comprehension, sentence correction, error identification, jumbled sentences, synonyms, antonyms, contextual vocabulary, speech and voice, preposition, articles, conjunctions and sentence formation. So guys, the fourth section is for essay writing. The number of questions will be 1 and the time allotted to this particular section will be 20 minutes, and the topics are social, tech related and facts related. So guys, the fifth round is for automata, that is a coding round. The number of questions appeared in this section will be 2 and you have to solve these questions in a time frame of 45 minutes, and the language options are C, C++, Java and Python. So guys, this is all about today's video. If you guys like this video, then press the like button and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more such videos. And I have already made videos on recruitment process for companies like TCS, Cognizant, Capgemini, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, SCL and many more. You can watch those videos by clicking on I button and the links are given for those videos in description box. You guys can connect with me on social media like Instagram and Facebook. The social media profile links are given in description box and you can ask your queries to me in comment section. So guys, this is all about today's video, and I have already made similar videos on TCS, Wipro, Cognizant and Capgemini. And guys, I have also made recruitment process and selection process videos on these companies like TCS, Wipro, Cognizant and many more. So guys, you can watch those videos by visiting my channel or the link given in description box. You guys can watch those videos by clicking on I button. So guys, if you like this video, then press the like button and subscribe my channel. So guys, if you have any doubt related to this video, so you can ask over comment section or you can follow me on Instagram and other social media platforms. All social media profile links are given in description box. You can follow me on Instagram and ask your doubt in Instagram. I will help you and provide best solution regarding any placement preparation, regarding any placement guidance. So you can follow me in Instagram and ask your doubts over Instagram. So guys, If you like this video, then press the like button and hit the subscribe button. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.